What's up? As I say in the States. I hate that, not like you. So, Christy Burgman here. We've had a addition to the burger van fleet, Suzuki Burgmans, and we've started on the strip down. So this little video is about the fork damper bolts. So anyway, enjoy. So we've got a seized in fork damper retaining screw here. And the Allen key has started to, the Allen bolt has started to round off, and it's just seized in. I can show you now. Sort of all the corrosion is round the outside between the aluminium and the mild steel or the steel Allen key. So what I've done is I've put some really tiny holes, just about what 5mm down in 4 places around the outside between the bolt and the alley as best I can. And what we're going to do is we're going to just soak it now and see if we can get it out, because that's where the corrosion is and that's what's stopping it. We'll probably have to get some heat on it as well later on. Here's one I've just had a go at, and you can see I've virtually destroyed the head of the bolt, but I've got it turning now. I have to drive a T55 torque bit into it and put plenty of heat on it to get it out. So let's see how we go on. So if you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe and like and put the comments in. Open to any comments. I don't mean playing to be an expert by any means, but I've had quite a few years of messing about with these sort of things, and hopefully we'll get a few more videos out as the build goes on. So here we go. We've driven the T55 torques into it. Put a bit more yak on. And see if we can yield to this. I've also put a 9mm drill down to deepen the hole. In fact, it might even snap the head off doing this, but we'll see. I think the gas is running out on here, but I've got another bottle. Right, let's see if it'll yield. There you go. You can see all the white crusty rubbish coming up out of the... Look at it, look at it. So it's all corrosion, that. Just flick this off, it's a bit hot. There we go. So you can see threads as clean as a whistle. All the corrosion is up around the head, and if you look inside the hole you can see all that corrosion where it's oxidized with the aluminium. So it's not the first time I've come across this problem. I had an old 86 Goldwing and fork seals had gone, so I had to strip them down, and yes, they were seized in solid. I ended up having to actually drill out the head on the set screw, which is a bit precarious because you don't go too far. And what I did, I drilled in, and as soon as I saw a slight hint of copper, which would be the copper washer inside, I stopped. Then I managed to get them all out, and there were enough stud left on the damper to be able to get that out. I've got another Burgman, a 250, a 98 model. It's only done about 7,000 miles. But this one I'm working on at the minute is done about 30 odd thousand. It's had a hard life. Anyway, on my 250, I've just been underneath and just got the Allen key on and slackened off those bolts very slightly and nipped them up again just to make sure they're not seized. So just, if you got them damper bolts, just keep an eye on them and get them lubed up. Whatever you do, don't use copper grease. It's the worst thing you can possibly put on him because aluminium and mild steel don't like each other. Get a bit of ceramic grease if you can get some of that. That's okay. It works fine. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you again.